Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Off-Road Outlaws and we're gonna go ahead and go get a vehicle. And this vehicle has been abandoned for a little bit, but supposedly someone has been living in it recently. And so the police called me and talked to me about it, and I'm gonna go in my tow truck here. I got my trailer, as you can see, and we're going to go ahead and take that thing and see if we can repair it or something. So anyways, let's get in our truck and roll down there. It's actually really nearby, right here actually. And we're going to go ahead and look at it. We're just going to park right here. Wow, I mean, this thing has been beaten up. We'll go ahead and take this thing, put it on the trailer. It looks like it's pretty nice inside, mainly because this thing's covering the roof. No water has gotten inside, it looks like. Alright, we loaded this thing up on the trailer, as you can see, and we're gonna go ahead and haul it down to the shop. Alright, we got this thing in the shop. We're gonna go ahead and load it off the trailer, and I mean, this thing is pretty damaged. I mean, we got a whole bunch of rust. Again, we'll have to take off this kind of, I don't know what you would call this thing, kind of like a motorhome type top, and take all the stuff that he had in it. He was arrested, actually, and we got to put a rear wheel on this thing. We got to do a lot of work, but I think it will turn out great. Alright, we are ready to customize this thing. We're gonna go ahead, I think we're gonna make this thing just like a stock kind of vehicle again. And then for the rest of the stuff, I think we're going to go ahead and take off all the rest. Alright, the rest is off, and now it is time to paint it any color. I think we'll go ahead for a gloss color. I think we'll go maybe for a kind of, maybe like a darkish blue, kind of like that. I think that looks really nice. I like this thing a lot, actually, and I'm pretty sure this thing is finished. I mean, we just built a stock El Camino, and that looks really nice. We're gonna go ahead and take it out for a test drive. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We rebuilt this El Camino from a pile of garbage, literally, because there's garbage everywhere where that man was living, and we've made it into this beautiful thing. Like, this thing looks awesome. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want more stuff like this, Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in another video.